A mini book just like this one can be a simple yet really fun way to work on any kind of content. Use it when you're teaching or learning something brand new. You could make one to show your knowledge, or create a mini book and then write a story or a cartoon or show off some of your drawings. Make a mini book of poems or song titles and lyrics. You can even use a mini book just like this to integrate with SEAL, Social Emotional Artistic Learning. For example, put in different emotions into each of the pages and then share all the different feelings that you can have. Or write or draw out all your worries inside a mini book and then hand that book off to someone who can take those worries away from you. There are so many ways that you can use a mini book, and making one is so simple. Today, I want to show you how. For the best ideas in arts integration and SEAL, Social Emotional Artistic Learning, subscribe to the Inspired Classrooms channel and hit the bell to be notified when we drop a new video. I'm Elizabeth Peterson. Let's get started. All right, today we're going to learn how to make a mini book like this that you can create and use for so many different things. Let's get started. All you need is a regular piece of paper and a pair of scissors. First thing you're going to do is fold the paper in half lengthwise, and then again in half the other way. Make those nice big creases, and then fold it one more time so that when you open your paper back up, it will be divided into 8 equal parts. Now you're going to take that same paper and you're going to fold it in half the opposite way from what you did before. Now here's the only tricky part you really need to pay attention to. All right, so there's the open part of the paper, and then there's the paper that has the closed seam. You're going to make a cut, and sometimes it's very beneficial if you just draw the line that you're going to cut. So let me make this really clear. You're going to cut from the folded side of the paper. Notice how this is open. So you're going to cut from the folded side on that center line right to that intersecting point, okay? So let me do that. And that's as far as you go. So now these can come apart like that, okay? Now you're going to open it up again, and what you should have is a slit right in the middle of your paper. Now here's the fun part. You're going to fold it back in half like this, okay? And what you'll notice is you can naturally start to push the two edges together. You're going to make it go all the way, and then lay it flat and fold it back into the shape of a book. And there's your mini book. You've got your cover, and then all the different pages inside your book. All right, now you've got the chance to create whatever type of little mini book you want. You could create cartoons, you could create a story, you could create a set of drawings, you could write down all the things you're thankful for. There are just so many things you can do. All right, enjoy. So there it is. Pretty simple, right? I can only imagine how many mini books you're going to go ahead and create. Do you already have some ideas? If so, be sure to share your ideas and even pictures of your mini books in the comments. And definitely share this video with your friends or some students so that they can make a mini book of their own. I'm Elizabeth Peterson from the Inspired Classroom. Have some fun.